Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a LaCrosse technology weather station. This is a CA79103 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you would want to do this. The first is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues where the screen is not responding or frozen, or it doesn't seem to be connecting to the sensors, or anything like that where it's not working, or maybe it's not pairing with your device, if you have it paired with the app or Wi-Fi or anything like that, a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set everything up again and repair it because it will be restored to its factory out-of-the-box settings. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you're moving this to a new location or setting it up on a new network, or just whatever reason where you want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box as a brand new device, we can do that quite simply on this device. All we need to do is with it on, we're going to hold the light button and the daily forecast button simultaneously for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, it will reset, and it will take several minutes because what it's going to do is it's going to reset everything, and then it needs to reconnect to all of the sensors. So once you do this, you're just going to want to let it there for about 10 minutes so that it can acquire data from all of the different sensors.